Ever wondered how to maximize your earnings with just a few items in your shop? Well, today we're going to talk about the magic of bundles and how they can boost your income, save your customers money, and bring them more value, just like Costco. Now, yummy $9.99 pizza aside, there is more to bundles than meets the eye. You need to understand why they work. Stick around to the end to get the whole story. Your future self will thank you. Let's start with a quick example. Imagine you have a single product listed in your shop. It brings in some income, which is great, but what happens, say, if we have a bundle, a small bundle of 3 related items? Now you're offering more value at a slightly discounted price. Your customers see this as a great deal, and your income starts to increase. But here's where the real magic happens, when you create an even bigger bundle. Think of this as your own Costco storefront. Your customers can get all the products they need in one go at a price that makes them feel like they're saving big. And guess what? You're increasing your overall sales and delighting your customer, who now has a full arsenal of your digital products that they can choose to use at any time. Now, step back for a second. Why do we all love Costco? The hot dogs, the pizza, the free samples. Yeah, all that, but we also love to save money. Costco's model is all about providing value by offering products in bulk. Even though you're buying more, it feels like you're spending less. The same principle applies for your digital products. By bundling, you're simply giving your customers more bang for their buck. Now, you might be thinking, but I only have 5 items in my shop. That's okay. Even with just a handful of products, you can still create bundles that provide value. For example, you could create a starter bundle, a mid-level bundle, and the ultimate bundle. This way, you're catering to different needs and budgets, much like Costco does with their different product options. Don't miss this last part. By offering these bundles, you're not only saving your customers money, you're also saving them time. Instead of searching for individual resources, they can grab a bundle and get everything they need in one go. It's convenient for them and beneficial for you. So, who's ready to start bundling and saving their customers some time and money? Remember, even with just a few products, you can start to bundle and increase your revenue while also helping your customers walk away feeling really satisfied with their purchase. Got a great bundle? Leave your link in the description. I would love to see what you guys are bundling and how you are getting those products out there and meeting the needs of your customers. Thanks again for watching. Make sure you liked this video and subscribed. And if nobody's told you yet today, thank you. Thank you for doing what you're doing. It's really important. Happy teaching, guys.